welcome back to another video. I'm about to start another 3-day flight attendant trip. I am position 4, meaning I work in coach, and I am excited because we have a long layover in Greenville, Spartanburg, which is super cute. I'm gonna see if I can find some good vegan food, some good cafes. I've been working a lot this month, more than I have in a really long time. I'm so thankful that Ari is taking me. We had a little delay at home. We got delayed a little bit leaving, but we're going to Whole Foods to get something for dinner, and then I'm gonna fly to Greenville. It's just one flight today, and then 2 flights tomorrow. We're going to St. Louis. Duh. We're going to St. Louis, and then back home, and then I have another trip right after. How are you guys doing? Oh, by the way, welcome back. If you aren't new, thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily. I'm a 26-year-old flight attendant for a major US airline. I'm so thankful for you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you in Greenville. Hey y'all, I just got to my hotel in Greenville. I'm super excited to go explore tomorrow and see what I can get into. It's actually my first time here from what I can remember. Maybe I came here when I worked at my regional airline a few years ago, but nothing is looking familiar, so I don't think I've been here. But it was a great, easy flight. Yeah, it's been super easy and fun. I'm just ready to go explore, and I lost my ring light, or like my light for my camera. So if everything looks a little bit darker, that's why. I'll have to order a new one. But how are you guys doing? What are you up to? I'm just ready to explore and have some fun tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you then. Good night. Y'all, I am about to go out. It's about 12:30. I just had a really slow and peaceful morning. I was gonna go to the gym, but I'm trying to preserve my energy. My women will understand it's like a certain time of the month. And I just have a lot of work and a lot of flights coming up at the end of this month, so I'm just trying to like walk and do easy forms of movement and not use all my energy on like a hard cardio workout or something. But I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a great day to have a great day, honey. That is what I'm telling myself. Even when I'm not feeling my best, I'm gonna convince myself that it's true. I found a cool organic juice place close by. Let's walk there, see what else we can find. I heard Greenville is super cute, and it looked cute when we were coming in. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and know you're not alone. I'm here for you even if I don't know you. You are loved, you matter, and it's gonna get better. But let's go see what we can find. This is the outfit, just super simple, casual. A crop top, a little oversized baggy jean action, and always my green Nikes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. People across the way can probably see me dancing. I hope it rubs off some good energy on them. See ya. So I've been taking this supplement by Attendant. It's supposed to be really good for digestion, gives you all your minerals and nutrients that you need. It's made from seawater, actually. It's deeply hydrating, a gentle detoxification, and good for relaxation and sleep. And these are super convenient for travel. The original packaging is like a little glass vial, but that's not convenient for me, obviously. But yeah, you take this on an empty stomach, and it's just deeply hydrating and has a lot of minerals and nutrients that I might be lacking. Love this stuff. It gives me a lot of energy too. that was so much fun. I just got back to my room. It is so hot today, but it's a wonderful, beautiful day. I really enjoyed getting some sunshine, but I am sweating. I got 2 cold pressed juices from Southern Pressed Juicery. One was for today. I already finished it because it was so hot out. It has cucumber, pear, kale, chard, ginger, lime, and pink salt. It's very good. For some reason, I thought it didn't have fruit in it. I wanted just a green one, but pear is not that sweet in here. So I already finished one. This is for tomorrow, and I got an acai bowl. I got an acai bowl for lunch because I'm not that hungry. I'm still full from my oatmeal this morning, and it's super hot out, so this will be refreshing. The only thing about acai and smoothies and stuff like that, you gotta make sure they're not adding sugar, or that it has a lot of sugar in the acai base, because there's no need for extra sugar. Fruit is sweet enough on its own. It usually comes with the honey. I got without. I'm just not feeling like super sweet, but yeah, I'm gonna eat this, enjoy it, and take a shower because I was sweaty, and then go downstairs and go to Dallas and then to St. Louis. I hope you guys are having a great day. It was so refreshing for my soul just to get some sunshine and be in nature and see flowers blooming, and just to walk around and breathe in fresh air and be by the water. It was just so good for my soul. And if you're feeling a little down, go outside, be in nature. If you can, ground and walk barefoot if it's clean and you're like in your own yard. It's so good for your central nervous system. And just breathing in that fresh air is amazing. I'm so thankful. It's such a cute place. I'll see you guys. So update, we didn't make it to Dallas or St. Louis. The plane was broken. We boarded everyone up. We were at the airport for a few hours and they couldn't fix the plane, so they're gonna try to work on it tonight. Hopefully it'll be fixed by tomorrow, but we are laying over in Greenville again. We were supposed to come in from St. Louis tomorrow to Dallas and then work a West Palm Beach turnaround and then be done, but hopefully the plane is fixed tomorrow. We can get in with all the bad weather. There's so many moving parts always, so I'm hoping and praying we can get in, and then I'm done for the day, have the whole day off, and then the next day I have another 3-day trip. So I'm hoping and praying that we actually get home early so I can like wash my uniform, prep some food, refresh myself, and get ready for my next trip. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot, and it would keep you connected to me and get my future content. Let's go to the airport. Let's see what's gonna happen, if we're actually gonna get home or not. See you later. It's been a crazy trip. Another update. We're back at the same hotel. Update number like 6 million at this point. But the captain told us he would take us to dinner, which is super nice. So I just have something super casual on. I didn't pack anything too nice, but we got to the airport. We were told that the plane was not fixed. It was going to be fixed possibly within several hours. My flight attendant crew and I were going to time out, meaning we were legal for the day. We couldn't work that late. Didn't have enough time left in our duty days. So now we're back at the hotel, hoping and praying that we leave tomorrow morning. I was removed from my other trip, which was supposed to leave tomorrow, because it's not legal for me to fly that one tomorrow. So yeah. I hope you guys can keep up with all this craziness, but I'm gonna go get dinner. I'm starving. I will see you later. Hey all, so as you know, I've been stuck here for a few days, but I mean, this is paradise. This is exactly what I needed. I feel super emotional and so thankful because God knows exactly what we need when we need it. And He's so faithful and He's so good to me, and I've seen that so many times in my life, and it just really makes me emotional. I just felt like I needed rest. I needed mental, physical, and spiritual rest, and it might not have been in the way that I wanted or what I thought was right or in my plan, but it was better. It was exactly what I needed, and if you can relate to that with anything in your life, it could be obviously a much different situation, but we all have things like that in our life where we make the plan and we want it a certain way. When it doesn't happen, we get frustrated, but in the end we look back and we see everything happens for a reason, and I just feel so refreshed in my soul and my spirit and my heart and my body, and I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful. And I'm just trying to soak up every bit of sunshine and beauty and nature before I go back to Dallas. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for your support and your kind comments. I really appreciate all of you and hope you're doing well. Sorry this video got out late, but again, this wasn't in my plan. I was gonna post a video yesterday, but I'm still filming, so it'll be a few days late. But thanks so much, and I will see you guys next time.